Hello, welcome to Valeport and our home on the beautiful River Dart in the southwest of the UK. Since moving here in 2003, we've grown steadily, first within our Sandkey building, then expanding our production facilities into the purpose-built Reed building in 2013, and then in 2021, our sales, marketing, administration and R&D teams moved into the adjacent Radcliffe House. Altogether, we now have nearly 45,000 square feet, or over 4,000 square metres of space, dedicated to the design, manufacture and service of high-quality environmental monitoring instrumentation. A full walking tour of our three buildings now takes up to 2 hours, so instead, please watch as some of our colleagues introduce you to life at Valeport.
I'm Jay, and I head up the R&D department. Within the department, we have a team of 14 highly skilled engineers covering all disciplines required for the design and development of our products and sensors. Specialising in optics, mechanics, electronics, firmware and software allows us to control and support everything we do. This also gives us enormous flexibility to adapt and enhance our offerings to emerging markets and opportunities. With the variety of technologies from optics and acoustics to RF and miniaturization, there is always something interesting to be working on. As you would imagine, staff are supported with world-class facilities, including technologies such as 3D printing, which provides invaluable prototyping capability, as well as facilitating designs impossible with traditional machining techniques.
Hi, my name is Guy and I'm Head of Marketing at Valeport. We are a small team, but we cover every part of the business that customers see internally and externally for both Valeport and Valeport Water. We manage the strategy and implementation of design, advertising, social media, corporate social responsibility and public relations, as well as our website, exhibitions and events, all of which fall under the Valeport and Valeport Water brands. We have a video and photo studio in-house and produce all of our own content for our website and social media channels. This year we've also opened our new conference suite for product demonstrations and events in our fantastic new Radcliffe House.
Hi, I'm Kevin Edwards, Head of Sales and Logistics. And along with my experienced colleagues, we facilitate the worldwide sales and logistics operation from this office. Ably supported by a distributor network and a very loyal customer base, we typically export about 85% of our products worldwide to a mix of markets ranging from inshore use to the greatest depths offshore. A typical day for us starts about 7:30, with communications from Asian and Australasian customers being a priority. This of course then runs through the day to about 5 o'clock with an emphasis on the US side of things. Whilst we operate directly from our UK office, we do travel the world, attending exhibitions, conferences and other events to promote our company and enjoy direct customer contact.
Hi, I'm Charlie. I'm the machine shop manager at Valeport. We have 12 machinists operating a total of over 20 machines which make virtually all the mechanical components of Valeport's products, totaling around 70,000 parts each year, ranging from small internal brackets and fixings to large and complex sensors and housings. Most of these parts are made from titanium to cope with the harsh environments and high pressures where our equipment is used. We are continually investing in new machines to maximise quality and efficiency. We have a really good mix of knowledge and skills from experienced CNC machinists to trainees and apprentices, as we look to ensure that the machine shop remains a key element of Valeport's business.
My name is Natasha and I am the supervisor of the stores department here at Valeport. The stores department is often described as the hub of the company, as all of our bought-in items or manufactured parts enter and leave through us. Our job is to maintain correct stock levels as well as efficient kitting and picking of contracts. This is to ensure that our deadlines are met for the production and service departments to start their build process. Our team, which consists of 5 members, works closely with each department to make sure that goods are bought in and then distributed among the company where needed. Alongside this, we process external sales orders and our internal works orders, making sure that any of the shortages are highlighted to the purchasing team for them to be ordered. When we aren't processing and picking kits, we are regularly monitoring the stock levels with our stock take system to guarantee that they remain correct.
Hello, welcome to the Electronics Test Department. My name is Paul and I'm the manager of the test department at Valeport. We're a team of 5 engineers who test virtually all of the electronics used in Valeport products. Typically, we test around several thousand printed circuit boards each year. The complexity ranges from pressure temperature circuits to complete multi-parameter board sets, including radar boards and electromechanical sub-assemblies. We program, configure and thoroughly test electronics, ensuring they are functionally fit for purpose before releasing them for production assembly to build into the range of Valeport marketed products. Should any electronics become non-conforming, we diagnose, fault find and recover in-house, reducing waste while enabling challenges for the team to exercise and develop their technical knowledge and abilities. We are a forward-thinking department and play a key role in supplying production assembly with new electronics while supporting other departments and ultimately making sure our customers receive reliably functional products they can trust.
Hi, my name is Reese and I am the manager of the product assembly department here at Valeport. The product assembly department is responsible for assembling and final testing of all of Valeport's products. Working to fixed procedures and ISO 9001 control, we currently manufacture about 40 standard products, but we also supply several adaptations to suit our customers' needs. The department role is quite varied and includes sensor manufacture, encapsulation, full product assembly, laser engraving of product identification, and final testing and checks before we dispatch. With the department's combined knowledge, we're able to continue supplying high quality instrumentation to our customers worldwide.
Hi, I'm John Harper, Calibration Manager. Accurate calibration of Valeport products is key to our business, with 4 dedicated areas covering both production and service requirements. We calibrate conductivity, temperature, pressure, sound velocity, current flow, and various optical parameters. We apply strict control measures to the equipment used in our calibration processes, and both weekly and monthly checks are applied to ensure consistency of performance to standard references.
Hi, my name's Pete, Head of Valeport's Service and Calibration Department. My team consists of 18 dedicated technicians that can service, repair, test and calibrate any Valeport product. We also provide customer technical support and provide IT support within the company. Our service is process controlled by our CRM system, which controls the flow through the service and calibration process from booking in to dispatch. We currently service and calibrate around 2,000 Valeport instruments each year. This number will only rise as Valeport products are robust and reliable, with the number of instruments being serviced and calibrated being over 20 years old. Providing that we can source the parts, then we're able to keep instruments running for many years. Our temperature-controlled calibration facilities allow calibration of our sensors to UCAS traceable standards. We have invested heavily in calibration equipment to enable us to calibrate our instruments to extremely high levels of accuracy, and are in the process of obtaining ISO 17025. All storage, assembly, service and calibration areas are protected against static electricity, minimising the risk of PCB damage by handling and storage. Pressure test vessels up to 100 bar allow all service instruments to be pressure tested before dispatch, ensuring our reputation for reliability is maintained. Our IT team ensure that we comply with the requirements of Cyber Essential Plus to keep our systems and data safe.
Valeport's success is based on constant innovation allied with very high production and service standards, plus solid relationships with all our partners, i.e. customers, suppliers, professional advisors and so on. However, as a reasonably sized business, we also need to pay attention to the background tasks that make any organisation function. We need to have the highest standards when it comes to looking after our people and maintaining our financial stability throughout the business cycle. We also need to maintain high administrative standards, mainly as we trade on a truly global scale, making the need for efficient processing crucial, increasingly so as the world becomes ever more complex. It is the responsibility of my team to manage the HR requirements of the business, from the day-to-day routines such as payroll and attendance, through to providing support on training and development, as well as what is perhaps the most important function, to provide the necessary support when our colleagues face life's challenges through issues with physical and mental health. This investment in supporting each other shows. Many of our colleagues have been with us for 10 years or more, some over 35 years. My formal title is Finance Director. Putting that hat on, we must manage our resources to make sure we meet all our obligations at all times, whilst making sure we have enough funds available to invest in future technologies and our business as a whole. Prudent financial management is a real strength of Valeport and has been part of the foundations of our growth over many years. Whilst much of what falls within my remit may seem less attractive than other things that go on in Valeport, they are no less important. And I really feel that what I and my team do helps to support the business and give it the foundation it needs.
Thank you for joining us for a quick tour around Valeport. I hope it's given you a flavour of what we do. Perhaps one day we'll get the chance to show you around for real.